Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, the North Las Vegas Strip. We're going to check out the Bonanza Gift Shop, the self-proclaimed largest gift shop in the world. Their website says the Bonanza Gift Shop is a virtual cornucopia of Las Vegas souvenirs and gifts with a little bit of everything else thrown in. Over 40,000 square feet of shopping hysteria, the bizarre, the unusual, yes, even the weird are all available in one giant place. At the world's largest gift shop, you'll find kitsch to classy. Only here can you get a dice clock to suit every decorator's motif and beautiful handmade Native American jewelry. The aura of Vegas past abounds with pictures of the Rat Pack, t-shirts with the fabulous Las Vegas sign and Miss Atom Bomb, as well as that old Vegas standby, the Green Dealer's Visor. This just ain't your daddy's old t-shirt and postcard store. Speaking of postcards, they have them here. Impress your friends. Who sells postcards anymore? This place does. I think if you're visiting Las Vegas, you owe it to yourself to send some friends some real postcards through the U.S. mail. So I'm going to do a thorough walkthrough here. There's not going to be much commentary. I'm going to let the merchandise in the store talk for itself. But if you guys have any questions, just raise your hand and I'll be happy to answer. Well, maybe that's not going to work, so leave your question in a comment below. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. So if you're looking for cheap souvenirs, this place ain't bad at all. I mean, where can you find a nice Las Vegas mug for $2.99? And yes, they sell snacks and alcohol as well. Don't forget to check out my book, 50 Attractions and Many Tips When Visiting Las Vegas. It's down at the bottom in the description of this video that you're watching. It's only $4.99, instantly downloaded to your computer. Tons of pictures and fantastic tips if you plan on visiting Sin City. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you for watching New York. Keep watching or we're gonna arrest you and molest you.
Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.